Welcome to our review of the ProtoArc Ergonomic Keyboard Mouse, EKM01 Plus Full-Size Wireless Bluetooth Ergo Keyboard Mouse Combo. Before we dive in, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This combo set is designed with comfort and productivity in mind. The full-size ergonomic keyboard features a curved and split keyframe layout, which helps position your wrists and forearms in a more natural, relaxed posture. This design is a significant upgrade over standard keyboards, especially for those who spend long hours typing. The cushioned palm rest, made with a soft memory foam layer, adds an extra level of comfort by supporting your wrists and reducing bending, which can help prevent strain. One of the standout features is the keyboard's 4 adjustable tilt legs, allowing you to customize the angle for optimal wrist comfort whether you're sitting or standing. This flexibility is great for maintaining good ergonomics throughout the day. Connectivity is another strong point. The combo supports connection to up to 3 devices simultaneously via USB receiver or Bluetooth, and switching between them is as easy as pressing a single button. This makes it perfect for users who juggle multiple devices such as a PC, Mac, and tablet. Compatibility is broad, covering Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10.12 and above, and Android 4.3 or higher. The included mouse complements the keyboard well, maintaining the ergonomic theme and wireless convenience. Both devices are rechargeable, reducing the hassle and environmental impact of disposable batteries. Pros: full-size ergonomic design with split and curved keyframe for natural wrist positioning. Cushioned palm rest with memory foam for added comfort. Adjustable tilt legs for personalized typing angles. Multi-device connectivity with easy switching. Wide compatibility across major operating systems. Rechargeable keyboard and mouse. Environmentally friendly cons. The split design may require an adjustment period for users accustomed to traditional keyboards, the gray and black color scheme, while professional, might not appeal to those looking for more vibrant aesthetics overall. The ProtoArc EKM01 Plus combo is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an ergonomic, versatile, and wireless keyboard and mouse set that can keep up with a multi-device workflow. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so check it out to grab this combo at a great deal.